Introducing the Jaeger V100 Dash Cam, your reliable companion for capturing every moment on the road with stunning clarity. Let's dive into its top features. And equipped with a state-of-the-art Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens, the V100 records in crisp 2.5K Ultra HD, providing 70% more detail than standard 1080p. Its 160-degree wide-angle lens covers up to 4 lanes, ensuring comprehensive coverage of road conditions. Driving at night? No problem. The V100's Super Night Vision technology, enhanced by an f1.8 large aperture, increases light intake by 30%, delivering clear and detailed footage in low-light conditions. Designed for durability and discretion, the V100 features a heat-resistant chipset housed in aluminum alloy shell, ensuring stable performance in extreme temperatures. Never miss a moment with continuous loop recording. The V100 automatically overrides the oldest files when the memory card is full, while the integrated G sensor protects important footage by detecting sudden shakes or collisions. The V100's 24-hour parking mode keeps an eye on the vehicle when you're not around.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest car accessories.